it's Carrie. So I've heard so many good things about the Wetline Xtreme Gel that I wanted to give it a chance. So I went to Walmart and I picked it up. It was $2.94. So the price point is really great for this container. This is 35 ounces. So it's a good amount of product, especially for the price point. This gel contains aloe vera and it has an extremely firm hold. As you can see, the gel comes in this clear container with this green lid, and it's a clear gel and it's a pretty thick consistency, and it has a very pleasant smell. I also like the fact that it has like this little handle that you can use to carry it around. If you're looking for a product that's going to elongate your curls, give you a nice hold, then this gel really does work. What I don't like about the gel is that my hair did come out feeling crunchy after it dried, and my hair is 100% dry at this point. So my hair did feel crunchy and it does feel dry. When I applied the gel on this side of my hair, I didn't use any oil at all. And then when I applied it on this side, I used olive oil first and then I applied the gel. My hair still feels crunchy. I just wanted to point that out to you guys so you're aware that this gel does leave your hair crunchy if you don't use anything underneath it. Now, next time I'm going to not only just use my oil, but I'm gonna also use a moisturizer before applying the gel, and that should get rid of that kind of crunchy feeling and also alleviate the dryness. Apart from that, I really do like the gel. Like I said, it elongates your curls. It gives you a strong, firm hold. It gives you a more controlled, frizz-free look. So if that's what you're going for, then this gel will work well for you. Recently, I've just really been embracing more frizzy, voluminous hair. So I don't use gels anymore to do my wash and go, but if you're looking for a product to control the frizziness in your hair and give you a more like tamed and controlled look when you're doing your wash and go, then you know this product is definitely worth checking out. It's only $2.94. You can also get it from your local beauty supply store. For the most part, I really do like this product. I definitely am going to keep it in rotation. It's great for your edges. Like if you don't want to use it all over your head, you can use it for your edges. If you're doing like slicked styles, you can also use this product. All right, so if you're interested in seeing how I apply this product to my hair, stay tuned. My hair is fully washed and detangled. I've divided my hair into 4 sections. I'm going to start from the back. Right now, I'm going to re-wet my hair and apply my leave-in conditioner. So this is the Lemongrass Leave-In Conditioner by Alakay Naturals. I do like 5 pumps per section, 4 to 5 pumps. So I'm applying that to the section. I'm gonna break this down into another smaller section. And I'll clip this away. Taking my comb, my wide tooth comb, detangling one more time. Now I'm taking the Wetline Xtreme Gel, using about this much first. Putting a little bit more on my hand and just coating the hair. Definitely elongates your curls and clumps it together.